Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. I'm so excited to present you the lesson 10, Learning Kung Fu at Home. Today we're going to present you the tiger kicks, the straight kind of kicks with 10 movement. The snap kick, the heel kick with the stop kick. Let's start it. Get ready. Both hands come back to your waist and stop your left. And your both hand all the way go to shoulder and coming to front. Become tiger hand. And come back to your waist. The movement number 1, you both hand to go back, make a circle, all the way come back to your left side. Open your fingers. And you make a bigger step. And you pull your tiger hand back and become horse stance. The movement like 1 and 2. So for the opening move, you both hand come back to your waist and come back to your shoulder and all the way coming to front and open your fingers and become the tiger hand. So you already know the tiger hand in last section. So your fingers stay tight like tiger and you have a little space between each fingers, right? And come back to your waist. And after that, your both hand go back and all the way go to your left side and open your fingers and become the tiger hand at the same time. You pull back and don't forget with your stance. So this is the movement number 1. The intention is when someone punch you, so you go grabbing and pull them back with your both hand, of course. The same thing like this, 1 and 2. So punch, grabbing, and pull back, and 1 and 2. Great. So let's start the movement number 1 until movement number 2 and number 3. Follow me now. Attention. And the opening move. You go 1 and come back your waist. And both hands to open become your finger and you make bigger step and pull back. And the number 2, you stand up and your right leg to go knee lift and become the stop kick. Cross 45 this way and you left back and you twist 45 this way and same thing you go number 3 knee lift and you go stop kick, your body lean back a little bit and you kick 45 direction and you land. This is number 2 and number 3. The intention is when someone kick you this way and you go stop right this way, right? You kick this way to stop coming kicks. The same thing, if someone kick you this way, you go stop right that way. So that's the intention with the stop kick. All right, great work. Let's start the movement number 1 until number 4. Let's go. Attention and ready. And movement number 1, you go boom, grabbing, and you go stop kick. And number 3, stop kick. And the next move, you both hand back to your waist, become palm. And you twist from your waist, you go up this way with your chop. So double palm to chop the neck or the chest. So say this move, once you come back, your both hand on the waist and you twist at the same time you go attack. So remember the palm, power out outside of here. This is the power to attack right here or attack right here. You go down or you go a little bit higher, neck or chest. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. You go 1 and 2. Okay, great work. Now let's start the movement number 1 until number 5 and number 6. Get ready. Go 1 and pull back. And number 2, stop kick. And number 3, stop kick. And number 4, power to attack. And after that, your left hand come back to protect your head, the left side. And your right hand go down, protect your knee. So this is double tiger head to protect, right? And then you go to the snap kick. The snap kick, you go knee lift and make snap kick right there. And you land. Then you turn the other side. You same movement. You go your left leg, knee lift and snap kick. And you land. So this is number 5 and number 6. So the intention you already know, as we mentioned. So you go snap kick is very powerful and speed when you bend your knee and make that snaps, that speed, boom. right? Boom, that's called snap kick. The snap kick is more to kick you by your toes, like you kick something low right there, or you can kick something high. Kick the chin or kick the button, right? So it's up to you, but don't hurt your friend. All right, so great work. Let's start the movement number 1 until number. And get ready. Right, and 1, push, and stop, kick, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. So number 7, your right hand go up, become tiger hand, and go down. Your left hand from down go up, crossing both hands. One is protect the knee, one is protect the head. So the double protection, but also your left toe, you say twist this way because you can keep the balance. So again, so right hand on top, go down, left hand from down, go up and cross, and go, and your toe twist down with the balance. It's great. Number 7. Very nice. So this is a protection movement you already knew. So let's straight start the movement number 1 until number 8 and number 9. Almost there. You're smart. You're strong. Follow me. And get ready. And go 1 and 2. Number 3 and number 4 and number 5. Number 6. Okay, and number 7. Protect knee and your head. Okay, the number 8 is the same move like a snap kick, but it's a heel kick. So you go knee and you attack by heel, and you land, and you twist this way. The same move with number 9. You go knee lift and attack by the heel. This is number 9. All right. So number 8 and number 9, just like the snap kick, is same technique, but different. You attack by the heel or attack by the toe. So heel kick, boom, attack by the heel, and snap kick, attack by the toe. Right? Okay. Great work. Let's go. The last movement from the movement number 1 until number 10. And get ready. Training with me. And go 1 and stop kick 2 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9. And after 9, your left hand from down and go up all the way to protect your head. Your right hand from your waist and push. Boom. Don't forget this. God help you more power. Your knee straight and also your heel, this part, and push and become your stats. Boom. So this will have a lot more power. Right there. And cross your hand, come back your waist, go your shoulder. And all the way. Come back your waist. And feet together. And hands down. That is the whole form. How amazing you are. You follow me. You got the 10 movement. You did your training hard like me. Little sweat. All right, my friend. Let's do the last time. So don't just do last time with me in this video. You cannot to get the real kung fu only you just follow 10 times. You need to do 1,000 times practice to become better kung fu. So repeat until you can fully control the power, the speed, the direction, and you feel something inside of you. And to support you, you can do whatever you want. You can get the confidence with you, right? So that is something need numbers training. That means is quantity become quality. So keep training, my friend. Let's go. The last time. Attention. And get ready. And go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. Hands down. 安保。同学们再见。You should say 老师再见。Thank you very much to following me to do the lesson 10 Tiger kicks. Great work. The next lesson we'll be learning a little bit harder kick, which is the challenge. And I know you can take the challenge because you're strong and you're smart. Don't forget, 1,000 times training to become better kung fu. All right, so I love you all. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.